सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद।
Dawud Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Badshuguni, consisting of 126 pages, states on page 69 and 70, with the reference of Sahih Muslim, the reason as to how some comments of a soothsayer come true. The mother of the believers, Hazrat Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, stated that some people asked the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam about the reliability of the comments of the soothsayers and fortune tellers. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "There is no reality in their comments." People asked him as to why their predictions come true. The noble Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam replied, "Those comments originate from jinns, which the female jinn listens to very cunningly and whispers it to her friend, the soothsayer or fortune teller, the way a hen conveys its sound to another hen. Then the soothsayer or fortune teller distorts those comments by adding more than 100 false tales."
Sallu ala al-habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
सल्लू अला हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।